Hey everybody, this is Scott Rulon, and I would just like to wish you happy Father's Day. Even though my father died about 8 years ago, I still remember his profound influence in my life. One of the things that he always told me is sometimes that I'm a slow starter, but a fast finisher. And so one of the things I used with that piece of advice is to learn how to be a faster starter. So let's talk a little bit about why Father's Day is important. But before we get to that, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that all-important bell icon so you can receive future videos. One of the things that I'm doing these days is creating a series of blogs and videos on the different holidays. So again, let's get to it. Happy Father's Day. Welcome to my blog post entitled Why Father's Day is Important. Well, Father's Day is a special occasion that holds great significance in many people's lives. It is time when we come together and appreciate our fathers and our father figures who have played pivotal roles in shaping our lives. In this post, we will delve into the emotional importance of Father's Day and why fostering strong connections with our fathers is crucial. In addition to Yoast-compliant formatting guidelines, we will explore the significance of this day and its impact on our emotional well-being. So, do we express gratitude and appreciation? Well, expressing gratitude and appreciation. Father's Day provides an excellent opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to our father and father figures who have sacrificed their time, energy, and resources to ensure our well-being. I will remember those days in the backyard where my dad used to throw me the wiffle ball so that I could hit and learn to be a better baseball player. And so I certainly praise him for that, and it just serves as a reminder to pause and acknowledge the invaluable role fathers play in our lives, instilling in us a sense of love, guidance, and support. Wow, if it weren't for the help of my fathers, or our fathers, who would get us to where we are today? It's also a great way to strengthen the parent-child bond. So strengthening the parent-child bond, Father's Day encourages us to nurture and strengthen the bond between fathers and their children. As a father myself, I realize how important it is to talk into my son's life. So taking the time to celebrate this special day enables us as children to create lasting memories, engage in meaningful conversations, and deepen our understanding with each other. So sometimes not only do we use our mothers, but we use our fathers as emotional connections to foster trust, open communication, and a sense of belonging within the family unit and the greater outside world. Nice thing about fathers is they certainly give us emotional support. So I, as a father, have learned that sometimes it's just about listening to what our children say, not always having the answers. So remember, fathers often serve as pillars of emotional support for their children. On Father's Day, we recognize their presence during times of triumph and adversity. So how many of you fathers learned how to pick up your sons and daughters after they'd had a bad event that happened to their life? And how many times have you celebrated them? Like a birthday or some achievement like a graduation. How important are those things? By acknowledging their emotional support, we validate the impact fathers have on the well-being and mental health and overall development of their children. This recognition strengthens the emotional connection between fathers and their children. So, what else can we do? We can reflect on our shared experiences. Remember all those fond memories of watching your dad do different things? One of my fondest memories is there's a stretch on the I-17 highway between Flagstaff and Phoenix where we always stopped in McDonald's, and I always saw my father slip out of the car and slip over to one of the park benches where an out-of-work or out-of-home veteran sat, and my dad slipped him some money. What a great thing to learn some civic pride and to help others as we grow up. It certainly allows us to cherish and recall cherished memories and shared experiences with the fathers, whether it's simply a fishing trip, watching what they did, a heartfelt conversation, or even playing baseball with Dad. These memories help to shape our identity and provide a sense of nostalgia and well-being. You know, it's a great emotional connection that not only transcends today, but it transcends time. Especially for people like me who have lost their fathers. Still great memories sitting out there. What else can fathers do? Well, they can certainly inspire future generations. Father's Day is not only about celebrating our own fathers, but also inspiring future generations of fathers like our sons. By highlighting the emotional importance of this day, we encourage fathers to actively encourage or engage in their children's lives, fostering a sense of love, community, and emotional connection. This effect certainly brings a brighter future. You know, one of the things that I always try to tell my son is how proud we are of him and the direction that he's going forward. It's important to know for your children that their fathers support them. It can mean a huge difference in their lives. So Father's Day holds immense emotional importance as it reminds us to appreciate, honor, and celebrate the fathers and father figures in our lives through expressions of gratitude, nurturing the parent-child bond, and acknowledging emotional support, reflecting on shared experiences, and inspiring future generations. Who knows, your son may become the next president or have the next breakthrough or be the next business leader. By aiming to emphasize the significance of Father's Day and its impact on our emotional well-being, let's cherish this day and embrace the opportunity to foster lasting connections with our fathers. Wow, if my father were still here, you know, sometimes I still like to pick up the telephone and think I could still call him. What a great thing. Well, one of the other things you can do in this world if you enjoyed blogs or vlogs like this, have you ever considered making a living online? Well, one way to do that is through affiliate marketing. It is a great way to earn commissions by just sponsoring a link on either your email or your website. And if somebody goes to buy there, guess what? You get paid a commission. So why don't you head over to my blog, myfinancialfair.com, and see how you can get it started today. So if you've ever considered making money in your spare time, consider building a blog or YouTube channel to make it happen. One of today's most powerful mechanisms to get people's notice today is actually something called TikTok. So partner with me today, and you can learn more about Canva, how to build a high-ticket, high-profit affiliate business, and just plain how to build a business online. You can also follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, even though I don't sing and dance. Thank you so much for tuning in and talking about the importance of fathers. Look forward to talking to you next time. Au revoir.